Hi there, students. Soft soap. To soft soap as a verb, to soft soap somebody. To soft soap somebody into doing something. And soft soap as a noun, yes, a particular type of soap. Let's start with soft soap as the soap. Well, I'm quite a keen gardener, and soft soap is something that you can use in organic gardening. It's soap, normal soap, but made with potassium instead of sodium hydroxide. And if you spray a solution of soft soap onto your plants, it kills these aphids, these green creatures that suck all the juice and goodness out of your plant. And it's a very useful organic insecticide. Yeah, it's something you can use, and it's not going to hurt you. But, well, that's very specific. That's very me. If you soft soap somebody, you butter them up. You try to persuade them to do what you want by flattering them, by saying nice things to them, by saying the things that they want to hear. So, I soft soaped my dad into lending me his car. Yeah, to coax somebody into doing something, by flattery, by being nice, by being sycophantic. Yeah, you tell them what you think they want to hear. You flatter them in order to persuade them to do what you want. So politicians are always trying to soft soap voters or into voting for them. Yeah, they're trying to persuade them by saying nice things, saying the things that people want to hear. Yeah, using a bit of the blarney. To butter somebody up, to use flattery, to cajole, persuade somebody. The salesman tried to soft soap me into buying his product. Okay, it's to persuade somebody, but by using flattery, by using sweet talk. Yeah, to sweet talk somebody into doing something. He tried to sweet talk me into lending him 10,000 quid. No, I wasn't going to let him soft soap me. Yeah, so it's if you soft soap somebody, you're trying to ingratiate yourself. Yeah, these are blandishments, and you are using gentle, persistent flattery and urging. Yeah, I think you could use soft soap as a noun. I don't want any more of your soft soap, any more of your honeyed words. Yeah, any more of your flattery. Yeah, I'm just not going to fall for it. Okay, so stop trying to soft soap me. Stop trying to please me. Stop trying to butter me up. Yeah, because I know you don't mean it. I guess it's the idea of you're washing their image of themselves with the softest, most beautiful perfumed soap. Yeah? But so, to soft soap somebody. And then soft soap. Soap made with potassium hydroxide as opposed to sodium hydroxide. It works really well. I really do recommend it for aphids. It's something that you should have to look after your pot plants. It works very nicely. Okay, but soft soap, persuasive flattery. Okay, so let's see, formality. Well, the soap itself, 5 in formality. It's a technical thing. Go into the garden centre and ask for it. To soft soap somebody as in flattery, this is informal. I think I would give this, well, it's not that informal. I think I'd give it a 4.5 in maybe 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing just about, but definitely not in a very formal one. Yeah, and I guess, yeah, it's using soft soap on their image to make the person sound or imagine they're absolutely wonderful. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Soft soap.